This is a help video to show you just how to make a basic map. So I'm going to zoom in on the map and just go near the county campus and then open up my toolbar. So some of the things you'll want to do when you make a map are probably put dimensions on the map and add some text to the map. So I'll go ahead and just put some dimensions on. Make sure that I'm snapping to the parcel layer. Remember, snapping makes it stop right at the vertex. So we'll add a couple dimensions just to have them. And now I'll probably want to add some text to the map. So I'm going to use the drawing tool and select text. And then I'll select the style I want before I place it. So we'll do something just bold here and maybe just label the buildings in the area. And then just put that on. I'll change this to the annex building. And then have the admin building. So when you put text or if you put any points on the map, you can use this edit to move them around. You can even rotate them if you'd like. I'll put them a little bit more square, just like that. All right, quit editing, and then if I wanted to, highlight these parcels, I could also draw the shapes on the map and just, so I'll do that for this one. And then another thing you could do, if I definitely just want this shape, I can just select it, do the view additional details, and I can copy to the drawing layer. So that's a lot easier, especially if that's a complicated parcel or a complicated shape you're trying to match. If you select it, you can just copy that. So now I've got some dimensions on the map, some text on the map. Let's go ahead and click print. And I can change this to maybe county campus in Coopville. And I could add any notes that I wanted to the map. See building names and go ahead and hit print. And it'll have a nicely formatted print for me. And you can see my notes are here, the names here. I've got a little bit of dimensions and some labels going on. So it's fairly easy. Those are just, some of the things to print a map that maybe you're going to go use out in the field, or if you wanted to put that as part of your report or something, you could do that. And then remember, you can also go up here and download it. So if you wanted to save this electronically rather than just printing it, you can do that as well. So that's all. Thanks. Bye.